Alright, so I'm just going to show a few different ways to spell and grammar check my first paragraph for my All About Me essay. The first one is to do the traditional word spell and grammar check. Okay, so it makes suggestions, so this word should be dogs. So I'm going to come down here. That word should be football. Some. Here's a grammar one, there and there, homophones. The only thing that it didn't catch was this one at the top. Now I'm going to do it using the read and write. Now the errors are okay. Yeah. Now it actually didn't make a suggestion here for for there are. But I'm going to move on. Right clicking here. I can find the word that I meant. And then I'm going to right click on this one, so this one's also underlined. Change it. Right click here, and I found the right word. Found the correct form of to. It's all of these underlined errors, I'm right clicking. Alright, so now we have all the errors. Again, this one didn't get caught. Okay, and then okay, there we are. I right clicked and I've got it now. I don't know what happened the first time. Alright, and now I'm going to use the text to speak feature.
There are things that I like. I to discuss some of the things that I like. So instead, I like our decks.
So, as it was reading the document, I know that it's kind of muffled for a screencast, but I just wanted to point out that it did read this error discuss as discuss. So that was one that was caught by it. It did read this error on like as lick. It did read this error on dogs as dags. And that is that. So it did catch many of the errors just by doing that, just by running the text to speak. So those are some of the ways that spelling and grammar and homophones and all those things can be checked through read and write naturally. Through read and write.